Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi's walk round video PHEV 4H that we have. This one, we've supplied it brand new, we've serviced it all its life. It's in a beautiful colour called ruby black. So it's a full pearlescent on this one, so it does really pop in the sunlight. As you can see, it's got like a purple tone to it. It's been a company that we've been dealing with for the last 4 or 5 years. It's been very, very well maintained. Full service history, like I said, with ourselves. It's got a protection pack on that, so it's got the little chrome finishes on there and everything. With it being the 4H, it has a power tailgate, a 360-degree camera. Just press that, I'll show you inside the boot. Nice big boot. We'll seat 5 adults on their luggage. PHEV, what's that stand for? Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Primarily it is an electric vehicle, so you'll get a good solid 30 miles on pure EV on this one, which I think these were the first, or I know it's the first one which was a usable plug-in hybrid. I'll take you inside and let you have a look. So basically it's got all its green credentials, being an electric vehicle. Also it's 4-wheel drive. You've got full leather interior, electrically operated driver's side and also heated. You've got all the 4 electric window switches there, retractable mirrors, push button start, keyless entry. This one's done 43,893 miles, and like I say, it is push button start. Believe it or not, apart from that beeping, the car's actually running now, so it's totally silent. You've got a satellite navigation unit there, which also runs your 360-degree camera as well. So I'll just bob that in reverse so you can see it in function. Tailgate's open. And like I say, it's got all the DAB fixtures on there as well. And a bit of a rarity nowadays, it's actually got a CD player behind there. So if you're old school like myself and you've still got some CDs, you can still play your music. Or if you're new school, you can just put them on a memory stick and just plug it into its USB port, which it'll gladly run through them. Multifunction steering wheel. Basically, this side does your radio and your cameras. And then the bottom bit there, that's for your telephone. And then at the other side, you've got the speed limiter and cruise control. You just a little rocker switch there, you can make car accelerate and so on. Dual side climate control also. So if your passenger's cold and you're hot, you can have it set at different temperatures. And you've also got on this one, it being the 4, a sunroof. It's tilt and side sunroof, that one, which is same again, a rarity nowadays. If you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, by all means just give us a shout and we can arrange that for you. No problem, thank you, bye.